Welcome to our vlog.
Ganyan daw kumain ng watermelon, sabi ng batang maliit. Turn the other way.
Turn what way?
You see how he eat the watermelon?
That bad.
Yum, yum. Yummy. Ayan, itatry namin na linisin yung aking silver jewelry. So, I have here my necklace and my bracelet na hindi ko na sila masyadong sinusot kasi nga
I want to wear this.
ayan, nag-tarnish na siya. And I'm gonna use salt and then baking soda. We usually use pink salt, pero yung ginagamit kasi na nakita ko online is white, yung itong normal salt. So, let's use this one. Okay. Ayan, nagpainit na rin ako ng tubig. So, nilagyan ko ng foil yung ating lagayan. And we will put hot water. Ayan, so, let's put on hot water. Be careful, it's hot.
Then put your bracelet.
Not yet. You need to wait.
Okay.
Okay, now let's put
Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of what?
need it. 2 tablespoons of salt.
Oh, I thought it's
One.
Hey, why the camera's upside down? Why it's upside down, mommy?
Yeah. 1, 2. And
Thought it
then
was supposed to be right
One.
side up.
and then 2.
Dragonfly.
Now give me the bracelet. So first let's put the. I hope I won't destroy this or make it worse. So here's the bracelet. I will take it off para maganda yung ano niya, pagkaka. Okay, first 1. And then 2. Give it off. Zion. Okay, now let's put
Why
it
it's
here.
being dead?
Language, please. Okay, so let's wait for 5 minutes.
Huh?
Can we see the time? Let's wait for it. Ito parang may itim-itim pa siya in between. Dun pick. Ayun, meron pa siyang itim-itim. Parang meron pa siyang itim-itim dyan. Ayan, sa may corners. So I will, bababalik for longer. Let's see kung matanggal niya. But, itong isa, if you can see, medyo mas na siya, it's very shiny, and wala na yung dark spot. Look, it's better. So let me rinse it with water. Even the chain for the infinity pendant, na siya, very shiny. In fairness, siya, mukhang effective. Ha? I think it's a bit older already. Yeah, I think it cannot get the inner part.
The inner part.
Yeah, but it's still
Better than that.
better than.
But actually, the inner part that still looks okay. Huh?
So I'm gonna change it so that all is gold. All is silver. Cannot see. Hello! We're going out for a while. We will go for a walk. Pero pupunta kami dun sa medyo malayo dito sa amin para may iba naman ng view. And here's Ezra Boo. Are you excited to go for a walk? Yes! How about you, Ko?
I'm counting cars.
Oh, you're counting cars. So, yeah. And we are here.
Let's see if the beach is open.
Let's see if the beach is open. And there's the grumpy. Inaayaw magpaupo sa salt roller. Hi, Ko.
I see our water and a rock. We'll save them from down there.
Diyan na yung may bandang pwedeng magtambay, laro-laro ganyan. Last time we went inside there or over there with my sister. Kaso ngayon parang hindi naman kami ready. Tsaka ayaw dito dito umakyat kami dito sa bakod.
I can go there with you.
Yeah, but cannot because we're wearing shoes, so it will be hard. Yeah, and there's a lot of people fishing. Our first stop. And may mga dito, may mga turtle kanina. Ganda oh. Grumpy na si Ezra kasi gusto niyang matulog. Coco, can you help me take this out? Are you tickling them to sleep?
Yes. Looks like a piñata plant.
Okay, let's go.
3 meters. Pongo Park Carter.
Connector.
1.25 kilometers.
1.25. Correct. So let's go. There's Daddy carrying the Esrabu because antok na, and then there's my Coco. Go, Coco.
So we will get the ice cream and cold drinks.
Excited na siyang mag-ice cream tsaka cold drinks. Yes. We're almost there. So pupunta lang kami dyan sa my bridge. We're gonna cross the bridge and then we'll reach
You could buy a boat.
this place.
And then,
Oasis Terraces.
Mommy, imagine this.
Imagine this, what?
I buy the boat,
You buy a boat?
then there was a ladder there. I would put the boat there without it sinking.
Without it sinking.
Then I would go all the way to Oasis.
How about we just cross the road?
Or we could just swim along.
So yeah, there's the entrance for the bridge.
But there's one problem.
What's the
Ma'am.
problem?
I need to go to that white bridge.
Look at that. The sunset. Beautiful.
Yeah. I see the ramp. Let's go there.
Yes, wait. Let me hold your hands because there's a lot of bicycle, okay?
Okay. Dad.
Our ice cream is here. There. We're walking home. Gusto sana ni Dwayne mag-train but
Like this.
I want to walk.
To this again.
Yes. Kasi ilang araw na medyo masikip yung dibdib ko. Nahihirapan akong huminga. So, I think I need to just walk and stretch and breath fresh air. So, sabi ko kay Dwayne, maglakad na lang kami. Anyway, malapit lang yun dun sa amin. So, yeah, we're halfway. Buti hindi nagre-reclam ito. Kanina pa yan naglalakad. Sanay naman yan maglakad-lakad. So, carry bells. And then for our dinner, we're just gonna buy.
Gotta be kidding.
Kasi anong oras na, late na. So, we're gonna buy dinner. But I need to go to the supermarket to buy some produce to cook for Ezra's dinner. Kasi wala siyang dinner.
Go,
Yung
go.
dinner, yung lunch niya kanina, bubos na.
Go, 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 go.
So, yeah. Let's go! Hi! We're home!
And hello.
Say we are home! Oh, yes, yes! Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay and lagay ko kayo dito sa bed. There, and we bought our dinner na, grown-up dinner, and then dumaan kami ni Zion sa grocery to buy some stuff. So, I saw this one is on sale. I've been craving for ice cream. And nakakatawa pa kasi si Zion, he's forcing me to buy Ben & Jerry's, but I don't like Ben & Jerry's. Actually, we still have Ben & Jerry's there.
Finish it.
Oh, you finished already?
Okay, last month.
Yeah. And so I asked him to buy Magnolia kasi 'di ba nung kumain siya nung ano dun sa auntie yung nagpupush. Ano yun eh, ang brand nun ice cream na Magnolia. So I asked him, this is the one that you ate the other day. Sabi ko, kaya gusto niya. Kung hindi gusto niya Ben & Jerry's. So it's only like 4 something. So I bought 2. He chose vanilla. He chose vanilla. And your melting pot. And I chose coconut. Baby, can you help me rinse it a bit first like that some?
The yellow side.
Yeah. And then I saw this one, baby. It's only $3.85.
What?
And it's red heart kiwi. So I can actually ask Zion to bring this for school tomorrow because it's their fruit day, Lunes. And then I bought talong, patatas, butternut, and then I also bought chicken fillet and itong batang, 2 slices of batang. And then I also bought this one for backup of what is this brand, Daddy? Dogs.
Did we try this before? I said, hey, it's not nice.
Is it not nice? I cannot remember.
I think it's this brand, you know. There's one brand I said not nice, maybe it's this one.
Let's see. But it's just for backup pag hindi ako nakaluto. And then I bought banana na green pa siya pero for the next day. Nakita niya yung banana. Mommy will make for your dinner first, okay? And then we will shower, okay? Yes? Yes.
And then we got this
Oh yeah, this one is just now Oasis.
lotus root soup. Yeah. So that will be for tomorrow. Then the wife should be buying pork. One shot tomorrow.
I forgot.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow then buy the pork. Better.
Okay.
Don't forget salmon. Plus this one.
Yeah, my favorite frozen
Salmon fillet.
Backup.
From the Song Fish Market. There's actually like 1, 2, 3, 6 pieces inside. So it's actually
Quite a long time.
quite budget friendly.
I'm gonna cook the dinner first.
Okay, okay.
Oh?
I just put the frozen stuff in.
Okay, come.
I'm gonna help you cut out the tag.
Okay, come here.
I've been trying and trying to. Thank you for watching. Bye.